Science 14, Unit C, Section 10.2, Analyzing Diets. Diet, as we've mentioned before, is the amount and type of food that you eat every day. Going on a diet means changing your eating patterns. Amounts and types of food you should eat depend mostly on age, body size, activity level, and gender. The best way to obtain required nutrients is to eat a mixed diet. What was I saying? Best way to obtain required nutrients is to eat a mixed diet that contains a wide variety of foods, rather than eating the same thing all the time. Canada's Food Guide classifies food into 4 groups: grains, fruits and vegetables, milk products, and meat and alternates. Each group supplies us with different nutrients, so we need to choose foods from each group. It's based on 5 guidelines. Eat a variety of foods, as we've said. Eat a lot of whole grain cereals, breads, fruits, vegetables, especially fruits and vegetables, whole grain, that kind of thing. Anyway, choose low-fat dairy products, lean meats, foods prepared with little or no fat. Participate in regular physical activity, which doesn't really have to do with diet, but is a good recommendation. And limit your intake of salt, sugar, alcohol, and caffeine. And there's a URL for the Canada Food Guide. Food labeling usually consists of 3 parts: advertising, because that makes the world go round, I guess, preparation directions for the food, and nutrition information, which is the important part. Canadian laws designate requirements for those labels. So here's an example of nutrition facts. We can see that it tells us about calories, fat, cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, all of that sort of thing. Vegetarian diets has one example of diets: those who choose not to eat animal products. The strictest vegetarians, called vegans, don't eat any animal products. Vegetarians still have to eat foods containing nutrients that are normally obtained from meat, protein being one example. Basically these diets are often healthy because they are low in harmful forms of fat, high in fiber, and usually these people who choose this have to be more intentional about what they're eating, which is also healthier. Unfortunately, they're sometimes low in B vitamins and iron, may also lack calcium, and have to take supplements to make up for that. Which is what that says. Fad diet is a current diet idea that may be popular for those who want to lose weight, but may not be well proven or well suited for all individuals. Often not very good diets because they don't allow for intake of all nutrients. So if you're on a diet that tells you not to eat any of a particular thing, you may not get the nutrients that that thing has. They also may result in the excessive intake of other nutrients. Some examples would be the cabbage soup diet, the grapefruit diet, the Atkins diet. All of those are considered fad diets. Athletes that are wanting to bulk up may take extra protein, but this can cause dehydration because of the extra water that's required to eliminate all of that excess protein that they've been taking in. So if you are doing that, make sure you're drinking lots and lots. Excess protein has also been linked to kidney damage. Generally, fad diets should be avoided in favor of mixed diets, as we've said, with calorie restrictions if weight loss is desired. And that's the end of our show for today. That was, what section was that? That was 10.2.